Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mention someone in comments on threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the Threads app. So in order to mention someone in comments, you'll have to click on the comment button. Now in order to mention someone, you'll have to press the @ key. You'll have to type in the name of account of the person you want to mention in the comments. Here I'm just mentioning a random account. Here you can see the post button. You'll have to click on the post button in order to mention them. And that is how you can easily mention someone in the comments on threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.